Hi Charlie. So this is how we will add a new horse to your horses for sale page. So basically, you will log in with the username and password I will send you in this email, and by going to the link that I also sent you. And once you've logged in, you will get to this page here. And to create a new horse, just simply on the left here, portfolio items, and then click on portfolio items. These are the two example horses we've got already. The process for editing an existing horse is identical to adding a new one. To add a new one, we will click on add new up here at the top. But if you wanted to edit an existing horse's information, just click on edit on the corresponding horse, and it will take you to exactly the same page, except obviously it will have the current information about the horse on there. But for this example, we're going to create a new one, so click on add new, and you get to this page here. So here, for example, we'll have horse 3, and here is where you would put in whatever information you wanted about the horse. So the first thing you'd obviously want is the pictures of the horse. So basically what we need to do is click on add media here, and you'll get to this page here, and basically we want to click on create gallery on the left hand side, just like that. Now if you've got pictures of the horses that are not currently uploaded to the website, which I presume you will have, click on upload files here, click on select files here, and then all you need to do is just select the files and upload them. I'll just use some random pictures in this example. So as you can see, they all get uploaded, and they've all got these tick marks on them. That obviously means these are the ones that are going to be included in the gallery. So once that's done, they're all uploaded. All you have to do is make sure all the ones you want are ticked. If you don't want it, just click it and it will untick it. If you do want it, click it and it will tick it. So all the ones you want ticked, click on the bottom right, create new gallery, and again, just on the right here, ignore the link to media file thing. If you want to change the amount of columns that the images are displayed in, if you want more or less, just select the columns here. But you don't have to change that if you don't want to, and just click on insert gallery down the bottom right when you're done, and you'll get this here. So this is all your pictures here. I mean, obviously they don't display in this page, but once we publish the page, there will be the pictures there. There is one extra little thing we need to do, tiny little bit of code that needs to be put in. It's very simple. On here on the top right, you can see there's visual or text. Click on text, and this little bit of code here is basically saying to the system, display the images of these numbers. You don't have to worry about any of this. All we need to do is after the word gallery, put in a space, and then type in, all one word, no spaces, type in link, so LINK, equals sign, quotation mark, file, quotation mark, and that's all you need to put in there. That basically tells it to open up the images in a box on the page and not take you to a new page to see the image. It makes everyone be able to stay on the same page, which is nice. So once you've done that, just click on visual again. You won't see any difference here, but the changes will have been made. So then we'll click on this page here, and you'll get a big kind of flashing cursor next to that. Press enter once, and then you'll have your cursor down here. And this is very much just like using Microsoft Word. So you just type in whatever you want here. So horse 3, and then just some random text here just to give you an idea, like I say, and then you can, just like Microsoft Word, lay it out as you would. And then basically there's only a couple of things left we need to do. So once you've got that as you want it, we then have to do a couple more things. So we click on the right here, horses for sale, give that a click. So there's a tick next to that. We set the featured image. The featured image is the image that will be displayed on the main horses for sale page, so the page where everyone can see all the horses you currently have. This featured image is the one that will represent your horse on that page that lists all of your horses. So again, click set featured image. You'll get this box pop up, very similar to the one we used for the gallery, and then again just click the image you want to use as a featured image. If you need to upload it, just click on the top left here and again select the files and upload it, but we'll just use this one for example. Again, just make sure it's ticked, the one you want. You can only select one featured image, so make sure it's ticked, and then just click set featured image here, and that'll pop up there. Nothing else we need to do here except one last thing. Where it says portfolio single options, we just need to change where it says portfolio type to document. And that is everything. So like I say, all we do, pop the title in, do the gallery as I showed you, pop your text in here about the horse, click this category, horses for sale, set the featured image, and then change that to document. And then once we've done that, just click publish here, and that should go to the server. As you see, we get a nice little post published message. Click view post, and this is horse 3 right here. And as you can see, because of that little bit of code we put in, it now shows the images in the actual page without having people to navigate away from the page. All the information we want is here. And as you can see, if you go to the horse sales page, horse 3 is here with the featured image we selected, and if you click on it, it takes you to this page. So that is how to add a new horse. Again, editing a horse is absolutely identical, except right at the very start, like I showed you in the video, you just click edit instead of add new. The process is exactly the same, just change what you need to change about it. If you need to change the text, for example. If you wanted to change the images in the gallery, all you need to do is click on it so it's gone all blue, and then click on this button here, edit gallery, and then you can remove an image. So if you say we don't want this image, or we don't want this image, we just click on the remove cross, and then that's gone. If we wanted to add a new image, on the left here, click add to gallery, and we can just select a random image, and again you can upload it if you need to, but once you've selected one you want, add to gallery, and there it is down the bottom. And once you've made your changes, just click update, and that'll be that done. You don't need to change this code when you're editing the gallery, that will still be there, that link equals file we need to put in. We don't need to change that when editing it. So like I say, just very simple, you just click on it and click that button there, and that's how you edit it. If you wanted to change the featured image, again, just click on this button here, it says remove featured image, and it's gone. And then just like before, you click on the set featured image button, and then select the image you want and click set featured image. There's nothing else you should really need to change on that. Obviously you can change the title if you want, but I mean that would be most of what you'd need to change. And obviously if you just need to change the text, just change the text here. And then once you've done all that and you've made your changes, you just click update. And like I say, it's exactly the same as adding a new one, but that's just how to edit a existing course. As you can see, if we click on view post, we've got the new image we've added and the text is changed here. So I hope that's easy enough to follow. If you do have any issues with it, please give me a call and I'll be happy to talk you through it over the phone. But it should be reasonably straightforward. But like I say, I'm always happy to help if you need anything. So thanks very much and good luck.